Hey guys, it's Tammy. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for joining me. Today I'm participating in a challenge, and the challenge is hosted by Hillary at Old World Home. Thanks again, Hillary, for hosting this challenge. It is her annual summer $5 Goodwill challenge 2019. So, I have made something and I want to share with y'all. I already made some, but I'm going to make some more so I can show y'all exactly how I did it. So, what I chose to use is some napkin rings. Now, I got these napkin rings from Martha. She sent them to me from Indiana. And they were, like you see here, they were $2.99. So that's $3. And then I got a whole bag of shower hooks. And the shower hooks were, can you see that? Is it upside down? They were, $2.25 for the whole thing of shower hooks. Now, the reason I'm using them in the $5 Goodwill Challenge is because I'm not using all of them for this particular craft. So, all I did was pop off the hook part. And as you can see, it left a thingamajiggy here. So, what I did to cover that is I put a little bit of a snapback on it. But I'm going to show y'all exactly how I put the snapback on it so you can see how they turn out. So, I'm going to drop the camera down and show you how to do it. And I'm not going to speed it up because it really doesn't take that much time. So, come on and join me. Okay, so I've got E6000. And I've got glue, the hot glue gun. And the snapbacks, these are the snapbacks that I'm using. So all you do is you take your glue, your hot glue, it's all you need for this part, and you put it in the hole where some of them actually did come out clean, which I was glad for that, but some of them did not. So I take the little hook, the little snapback, and I'm going to drop it down in that hole. And just sit there and let that dry a minute. Wipe off the excess glue. And I'm going to do it to this one as well. I have to go to work this morning, so I'm kind of rushing a bit. And just drop it down there in that little hole. And then, while that's drying, these two are already done. So I'm going to take out some napkin rings. And these are the yellow ones. Beautiful yellow napkin rings. And they're different on the back than they are on the front. So I'm going to put them to me like this. I'm going to open my E6000. I'm going to put it on the silver part, the snapback. A good fair amount. And then I'm going to take the hot glue and I'm going to go around where I put the E6000 just so I have a little bit of extra quick hold. Hold on, my glue is getting ready to drip and I don't want that. And then I just take the napkin ring and I set it right in place. And just let it sit there till it dries. I'm going to move him out the way. And I'm going to do another one. Same thing. E6000 on the snapback. Hot glue around it. And set it right in place. Alright, I'm going to do two more because it really isn't taking any time. Same thing. Oops, E6000. Actually, I'm going to do the other one, the E6000, so I can put the cap on it. E6000. Hot glue. And pop it right on top. So easy. And so cute. And that's how you do it. And that's done. So they were really, really simple to do. I've got 2 left. And these are the white ones that I had made. And I thought they turned out really cute. But I do want to show you how they all look. Unplug the glue gun because I'm done with him. With the dishes. Alright, I got these napkins, and I know they're not the best for this particular project, but I do like them. So there's a napkin. I'm just going to fold it in a peak and put it through. Take this one because he's been sitting the longest, I think. I'm going to move these out of the way so you can see how it looks with my dishes that I want to use with them. Why I wanted to make custom napkin rings. Okay. So we're going to sit this like this. Back the camera up just a little bit. And I have these gorgeous Metlocks daisy dishes. You can't see that, can you? With our custom napkin rings, which look absolutely precious. And here's the white. So it's whichever you want to use, or mix them up if you're having a party for 8. But that's how they turned out. And I think they really, really, I mean, they're really simple, really easy to do, and I love them. So, once again, thank you so much, Hillary, for hosting this open challenge. I always love participating in them. So, that's it. And until next time. Oh, I will add the link to Hillary's channel in the description box. And also a link to the playlist. Please, please, please go watch all the other people who entered the challenge. Everybody always comes up with really great ideas. So, that's it. And with that being said, please subscribe, share, comment, and like. And until then, peace.